Anna Hazare's 2011 hunger strike for the Jan Lokpal bill, which sparked Arvind Kejriwal's political journey, ended on April 9, 2011. Despite efforts involving prominent figures like Prashant Bhushan and Kiran Bedi, the movement failed to achieve its goal. Kejriwal formed the Aam Aadmi Party in 2012, raising speculation about his political motives. The party won the 2013 Delhi election, propelling Kejriwal to become the chief minister. However, his claims of honesty are challenged by his current detention in the Delhi liquor policy scam. Since April 9, 1965, the Central Reserve Police Force has commemorated Bravery Day, honoring the valor of the force displayed during the India-Pakistan War. On this day, a small CRPF contingent made history by defeating 34 Pakistani soldiers in Gujarat's Kutch Gulf. Sardar Post witnessed the sacrifice of 6 CRPF soldiers while 4 Pakistani soldiers were captured. Subsequently, the CRPF shifted focus to internal security, with the Border Security Force taking over broader protection. Known for counter-terrorism efforts, the CRPF played a pivotal role in thwarting the 2001 parliamentary attack and combating Naxalism nationwide.
तेरा है मेरा है, तोड़ा मरोड़ा ना जोड़ा है, सत्ता का खेला है, बीच लाचारी ढकेला है, लूटा हर खेला है, पूरा ही झमेला है, सालों से झेला है, यहाँ कुछ तो है गड़बड़, यहाँ सब लगे गड़बड़। दिल्ली को झाड़ू ने दारू पिलाया, बंगाल का दीदी ने भत्ता बनाया, पंजे ने जनता को चूना लगाया, बिहार के लल्ला बिहार ले खाया, मिल के बैठे ना करते बात, जिसका खाते ले उसी को काट, करते राज ये करके बांट, खड़ा खिलाफ जो तोड़ दे लात, वैसे एक दूसरे को काट दे, पर पावर की लालच में साथ दे, शब्दों में शहर खोलते, पर करते ना जो भी ये बोलते, बैठे माहौल बिगाड़ दे, न चैन से सोने की रात दे, करोड़ों कमाए इनकी रानी ने, जनता का हित गया पानी में। गड़बड़ तेरा है मेरा है, तोड़ा मरोड़ा ना जोड़ा है, सत्ता का खेला है, बीच लाचारी ढकेला है, लूटा हर खेला है, पूरा ही झमेला है, सालों से झेला है, यहाँ कुछ तो है गड़बड़, यहाँ सब लगे गड़बड़।
Rahul Sankrityayan was born on April 9, 1893 in Uttar Pradesh. He was honored with the title of Mahapandit, who was the prominent Hindi literate. Rahul Sankrityayan wrote novels, stories, autobiography, travelogue, biography, etc. He was knowledgeable in many languages including Pali, Prakrit, Upper Brahmsha, Tibetan, Chinese, Japanese, Russian. Rahul is also known as the father of Hindi travel literate. Sankrityayan's extensive travels to Sri Lanka, Tibet, Japan and Russia, marked by a quest for knowledge, defined his life. His belief in wandering as a path to mental liberation and broadening horizons resonates through his works, spanning novels, stories, autobiographies and travelogues. Sankrityayan's legacy endures as a beacon of intellectual exploration and cultural exchange. On April 9, 2003, the statue of Saddam Hussein in Firdaus Square, Baghdad, was demolished, symbolizing the end of his dictatorship in Iraq. Attempts by the people to topple it with a hammer failed, leading the American army to bring it down with a military vehicle. Saddam Hussein, Iraq's president for 2 decades, was known as the dictator responsible for mass atrocity. He was executed by hanging on December 30, 2006 by the American authority for his role in Dujail massacre, where 148 Iraqi Shias were killed. On April 9, 1860, the human voice was recorded for the first time using the phonograph, an invention by French inventor Martin Ville. This machine captured airborne sound vibration on a permanent medium. Martin Ville had patented this technology on March 25, 1857. Remarkably, the voice recorded in 1861 with this device was converted into digital audio in 2008, marking a significant milestone in the history of recording technology.